So I just came up with this productivity hack of my own that I've been doing at the beginning of every week. So instead of asking myself what I have to do this week, what are my goals, what are my intentions, and then writing it all down, and sometimes getting overwhelmed by the sheer quantity of it, I just ask myself, what is that I do not have to do this week? What is that I do not want to engage in this week? So for example, if my aim is to focus better, I will write it down that I do not want to be on my phone for a very long time. I do not want to stay up too late because that's going to mess up my schedule the next day. I do not want to be giving my energy into small things and then messing up my whole focus flow. So instead of just writing it down, this is what I want to do, and then failing to live up to it, I use the approach of elimination instead of addition, because we tend to add a lot of things, and when we are forced to think about elimination, we are really forced to think about, okay, what are the things which really truly matter to me. So I just try to keep it simple. I try to use the approach of elimination, and that's how I care about my week.